Okay, what next? What next? Oh, okay. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Jewel and I would love to have you here. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below, so definitely do that. You're more than welcome here. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer makeup routine for you guys. This is what I do every day when I wake up. Well, yeah, wake up, shower, get ready. This is what I do for my everyday look most of the time. Sometimes I'll just go with mascara, but this is usually what I do every single day in the summer. My hair is totally crazy right now, but if you like this video, be sure to give it a big, huge thumbs up, and I don't think there's much else for me to say, so let's just get started. Okay, so first I'm going to be priming my face with this MAC Prep and Prime. I got it in my Ipsy bag, and so I thought I would try it out, and I actually really like it. I tried it yesterday, and it was like amazing. So I'm just gonna put this all over my skin to prime it. And this stuff is like sparkly too. Like, it literally makes your face glow, and it's like freaking the best thing ever. Like, not like glow, but like sparkle. Like, your skin like literally sparkles. You probably can't tell that it's sparkling, but it's literally sparkling right now, you guys. It's like literally sparkling. If I can even freaking get this lid back on. Okay, what next? Okay, so in the summer, I usually just typically wear concealer, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Sometimes I'll mix like my foundation and like CC cream together. Yeah, it's my CC cream. Sometimes I'll mix those two. Sometimes I will mix those two together and use that and then concealer, but today I'm just gonna use concealer. So I just use this Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline New York, and put that under my eyes. I get such bad under eyes, you guys. Like, it's so bad. Like, I get really bad dark circles and bags under my eyes. And I just like put it on my chin and like my T-zone area. And then I just use my beauty blender, wherever that is. It's just like an off-brand one I got at Target. And then I just use that to blend it all in. Concealer is like, I feel like it's like just like the perfect thing for summer. Like, instead of just using foundation and stuff, and it's like, it's really like light on your skin and it's just easier, you know? Oh my god, the sound of this is so disturbing. I don't know why. I have been breaking out like so bad lately. I think it's because I haven't been using my skin stuff that I always used to use. My breakouts are so bad right now. Next, I'm actually going to use, no, I don't know, I'm all out of my other one, so I'm just gonna use this one. It's a cheap one from ELF. I'm just gonna like put it in like the inner corner of my eye, because that like helps get rid of, you know, the dark circles in there. So I'll just do that. This stuff kind of sucks, but it'll do for now. And then I just use my beauty blender to get that in. This lighting is kind of bad, but I'm doing this at night, so like, yeah, because I've had like no time to do anything lately, so like literally I have this pimple right here that I want to pop right now so bad. Oh my god, my cat is freaking, ugh. Okay, what next? What next? Oh, okay. So next, I'm just gonna take my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte powder. I'm just gonna like dust this all over my face with my kabuki brush from ELF. I like doing this because it sets everything, but also like gets like the imperfections out of the other parts of my skin, if you know what I mean. And then next, I'm going to be taking my other beauty blender, and then I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. This is like a lighter shade, so I just like take this side of my beauty blender, dab it all in there, and then I'm going to put it under my eyes to kind of help set everything more. Kind of put it like on the corners, like to my nose, you know, because it really gets oily right there. I have such oily skin, and I freaking hate it so much. It's like the worst thing ever. Like I'll like literally Like, this will be oily within like an hour or two. Like, I freaking hate it. It sucks. Okay, so while I'm letting that soak in a little bit, I am going to, where is it? Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. This is a cheap bronzing thing, but I think it works. I actually really like it. It's by, if I can find my brush, it's by Wet n Wild, and it's just their like contour palette. I'm just gonna use this Eco Tools powder brush to bronzen up my cheeks and stuff. Yeah, I actually really like this stuff. Like, for how cheap it is, I think it works really good. Like, for me it does anyway. I just like put that in my...
I look like a fucking fish. What the fuck?
Cheekbones. And then up here on my forehead. Look at that. Look at that pimple. You probably can't see it, but I really need to get a ring light, you know, to like, if I want to film, like if I want to film at night, it'll work so much better than this freaking ring light that I have here. So yeah, I just put that like on my forehead, on my temples, right here, kind of blend it down my neck, especially if I'm wearing like a tank top or like a tube top like I'm wearing now. I'll just like blend it like down my neck and then like on my shoulders, like collarbones and stuff, to define them some more. Gonna put it on my nose. Okay, I need to fix my hair because it is literally falling out. Okay, moving on. I look like a boy, but it's whatever. I'll show you guys, I got a henna and I really freaking love it. Like, I freaking love hennas so much. So much. I got it at the carnival and it was like $18 and it's been staying on pretty good. So I think it was worth the money. It's just so cute, isn't it? I just love it so much. And like, it looks really good with like rings too. Ugh, love it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna kind of dust all this off a little bit. There we go. Okay, so I don't have any, oh, yes I do. Well, it's like gone. I don't know where the frick it is. Okay, so I'm just going to get out my palette. I'm going to be using my Morphe 35R eyeshadow palette, and I am just going to be using this white color here as like a base for the eyeshadow, just to kind of like set everything and make sure like it doesn't crease very much. Hair on this. Oh. So yeah, I just dust that all over my eyelid. I'm using this e.l.f. brush. My dog got a hold of it. It's like all bent up and stuff and dented, but this is just the white part, so like it doesn't really matter. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Okay, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to be using this. I should probably not use this because, wow. Now I'm just going to go in with a light brown. You can use like any palette for this. I'm just gonna go in with like this light, it's like, actually this one's like orangish, and then like a light brown, and I just like put it in like the crease and then blend that out. I'm using like a blending brush right now. She looks pretty good. I'm just gonna take like any like dark brown color. I'll just use like this one, and then I'm just going to set it like on the very outer corner of my eyelid. Then I'm gonna take this same brush that I used before and kind of get a little bit of those first colors, tap it, and then I'm just gonna blend this all out. I have a mirror behind me too, so like that's why I'm kind of just like, wow, this pimple, she is really sticking out. I'm just going to be taking these first colors that we did and then put it like under my eyes to make them fade out. I'm just going to be taking the same dark color that we used before and put it like on the very tip of the brush. And then I'm going to put it like really close to, like on my lower lash line, you know. Oh, this is so hard to do. Okay, next I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. So once I get those babies curled, I'm just going to be going into my Revlon Volume Ultra Volume mascara, and I'm going to apply this to my top and bottom lashes. I just got mascara on my mirror. Oh well. Does anyone else, like when they're doing like their mascara, open their mouth like Because I do. Like, it's just like a habit. Like, I don't even know that I'm doing it, you know? I literally do it all the time. And it's like embarrassing kind of, but okay, it works. She works. I really want to get eyelash extensions, but those are like really expensive. But I really want them. Okay, so now moving on to eyebrows. Gonna brush them out with my little eyebrow brush. Then I'm gonna be using my little Trestique eyebrow pencil that I love so much. I got it in my Ipsy bag. I've just been so in love with it. I don't like do it like too harsh, you know. I just kind of like lightly fill them in. I still want them to look like natural. So last but not least, I'm going to be highlighting, but I'm going to be using my palette to do it. I'm just going to take my pinky. I'm going to take this shimmery color right here. It's like a shimmery white color. Put it like on the inner corner of my eyelid. And then I'm also going to be using my pinky to put it on my brow bone. Fan brush. There she is. Then I just take that color and then put it on my cheekbones. I seriously love using highlight, like the highlight colors from eyeshadow palettes, because it's like just so much cheaper than like the glow kit, you know what I mean? And that is the final look, or the look. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys like this look, because I love it. I love it so much. So easy and so quick to do. Like it like literally takes me 10 minutes to get ready. So easy. So easy. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a big huge thumbs up like I said earlier, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Also, you can check out all my social medias. They will be down below. Definitely do that. You can keep up with me on there. I will talk to you guys later. Love you.